Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into products that promise to make your beauty routine a breeze. Today, I'm sharing my thoughts on a shampoo that claims to do it all for color-treated hair, Joico Defy Damage Protective Shampoo. If you've been struggling to keep your color vibrant and your hair healthy, this might be the product you've been searching for. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss any of our future beauty insights. Joico's Defy Damage Protective Shampoo is designed specifically for color-treated hair. With key ingredients like Moringa seed oil and Arginine, it promises to strengthen hair bonds and preserve your color, keeping it fresh and vibrant longer. This shampoo is not just about cleaning your hair, it's about protecting and nourishing it from the inside out. The formula is meant to provide gentle care while ensuring that your color stays intact. And the scent? A refreshing touch of rosemary to give your hair that spa-like feel. I've been using this shampoo for a few weeks now, and it's been a surprisingly pleasant addition to my routine. The shampoo lathers nicely without being overly foamy, which gives me a sense of its gentle yet effective cleansing power. After applying, my hair felt clean, but not stripped. The Moringa seed oil seems to do its job, leaving a subtle softness, while the Arginine targets the structural integrity of each strand. It wasn't an overnight transformation, but after consistent use, my hair felt more nourished, with less breakage. What really impressed me is how it didn't fade my color at all. Many shampoos for color-treated hair leave a film or don't do much in terms of preserving vibrancy, but this one actually maintained the depth of my color. It didn't feel heavy or like it was coated in something artificial, just clean, protected hair. On the flip side, while I'm loving the results, there's a slight downside. The scent, while lovely, is a bit strong, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances. It's fresh, but it lingers longer than I personally prefer. If you're sensitive to strong scents, this might be a minor issue. When it comes to value for money, Joico's Defy Damage Protective Shampoo sits at a higher price point, especially when compared to other color-safe shampoos on the market. However, if you're really invested in maintaining your hair's health and color for the long term, it's definitely worth considering. The combination of protective ingredients like Moringa seed oil and Arginine helps justify the price, especially when you compare it to cheaper alternatives that don't offer the same bond-strengthening benefits. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but functional. The bottle is easy to squeeze, and I didn't experience any issues with the cap or product flow. I appreciate that the product doesn't have an overly thick consistency, so it doesn't waste product on application. It lasts quite a while, so the higher price tag becomes a bit more reasonable over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had to deal with customer service yet, but Joico has a solid reputation in the beauty community for quality products, so I'm confident they'd provide good support if needed. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If the price tag of Joico's shampoo feels a little too steep for your budget, there are options out there. For a similar effect at a lower price, I recommend looking into L'Oreal Everpure or Redken's Color Extend line. Both offer color protection without breaking the bank and provide similar nourishing benefits, though I find Joico's formula slightly more targeted at long-term hair health. In summary, Joico Defy Damage Protective Shampoo does exactly what it promises. It strengthens the bonds in your hair and helps preserve your color. It's perfect for anyone with color-treated hair looking to maintain both their vibrancy and hair health. If you're okay with the higher price and the scent, it's definitely a solid investment in your hair care routine. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've used this shampoo, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.